Hey guys, on today's video, we're taking a look at Zoom, how to create an account. So, on your web browser, just type in Zoom. You guys can do this on your phone, tablet, computer, does not matter. Just do that, and then you guys go into zoom.com. So it's this on the top. And then from here, just sign up for free. It is free. You guys can pay for it to get other services going. So here's a price plan and all that stuff. So let me just show you really quick. So you guys do have this, but with basic, you can go on and use this. So for most people, they just stay with basic, really. Then if you're in a business, most likely you'll end up going with the pro or even the business plan. But right now, we're just gonna take a look at the free version. You guys can go on and change it later on if you like. But anyways, let's just go in the top right hand side. You guys are gonna see sign up for free. So again, that's the top right hand side. Sign up free. Then from here, you guys can go on and sign up just using your Google, Facebook, Apple. It depends. But you guys can also use just your email address, put in your birthday, click on continue. So for example, you put something like so your email, your birthday, year, and then just go on and click on continue. All right, from here, you should go into your email. So whatever email you guys have, so whether it's Gmail or Hotmail, and just verify. Most of you will get this. Some people will not get a code. You guys are good to go depending how you signed up. But for most of you, you will. You will get an email with a code. So if you got an email, it would look something like this. So here's my code. Your code will be different. So just copy that. And then once you put that code in, just click on verify. By the way, if you didn't get a code, just check your junk mail. It might be just in there. Anyways, right now you can create your account. So put in your first name, last name, and then create a password. Make sure your password's different than whatever password you guys have for your email address. So here it is. Just put my first name, last name, and put my password. Then we can click on continue. Now, before doing that, if you are a teacher, for example, you guys could put a check mark right here for educators. But if you're not, just click on continue. From there, you're pretty much done. Right now, it's going to give you this offer. You guys can just go into no thanks for most of you. Just go into no thanks. And then it depends. If you guys are doing this from your tablet, phone, then there's the Zoom app. And then if you guys are on the computer, just click on download Zoom. You guys can download it and start using it. But as far as signing up for Zoom, that's how you guys can create your account. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.